How to make an origami cone. The origami cone in this tutorial uses 8.5" x 11" paper. You could use plain white copy paper. Draw a design on the paper. Buy colored construction paper. Buy patterned scrapbook paper. Or print off the free origami paper design of your choice. Canon Creative Park has a large selection of free printable 8.5" x 11" origami paper. Create the initial folds. Fold the paper in half horizontally. If your paper has a pattern on one side, start with the pattern face down. Crease well, then unfold. Fold the top left and bottom right corners into the middle. When you're finished, your paper should look like the photo. Fold the left side of the paper underneath the right side. Crease well. Fold the bottom right corner up. Fold the bottom right corner up to meet the left vertical edge. When you are finished with this step of the project, your paper should look like the photo.